Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the It's Potato channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own custom fade repeat block. Well, not really repeat, but custom fading block. Anyways, so first we need to go to My Blocks and make a block. Now let's first write fade and write repeat and put, oh whoops, that's not repeat, and do that. Now let's put an input and write R. Now let's put another label and write wait. And anyways, now let's get another input, write W. Add another label and write effect. And put another input, write E. Now let's click OK. You don't have to do run without screen refresh. Anyways, now let's start building code. Let's go to the control section and get 2 repeat blocks. And let's also get a wait 1 second and put it in between both of the blocks. Anyways, now let's go to the looks and go to change color but we're not going to do color, we're going to do ghost. Let's get that and duplicate that and put it in here. Now we're basically done with the code. Now first, let's put the R's in the repeat blocks and put the W in the wait block. And if you guessed it, you put the E in the effect blocks. Anyways, now let's test out our thing. Anyways, so the repeat controls how many times they're going to repeat the effect. So let's do 25. So since 100 is the max fade, like it's hidden, period, we need to make our equation equal to 100. So it's basically try 25 times 4. That equals to 100. So let's do 4, put 4 in there. Now for the wait, let's do 1 second, I guess. Now let's test out the code. Well, I mean, that sort of worked, but now the point of this second repeat block repeat loop was for it to fade out, like stop fading and just fade back out. Now let me try fixing it. Since I had to fade my block by using full numbers like 4, 5, 6, I need to do minus 4, 5, 6 to make it, well, not hide it, I guess. Let's get a join apple and banana, put the minus symbol in the apple, and put the E in the banana. Let's try it. There we go. Now, as you watch the thing, notice how the fade out is a little more faster than the fade in. Well, we can control that by maybe let's try minusing the E with 0.5, so we can make it a little more like half of it. So it would be 2. Make it a little slower. Now let's put it in there and let's try it out. Still a little fast, so maybe let's put a wait block. I don't think this really did anything, so actually, so let's put that back in there. And put 0.003, I guess. Let's try it. There we go. Now I do think we can make it a little more a little faster because let's try it. And there we go. You've created your own fading custom block. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a great day, everybody.